Hi, this is Dr. Ricola. And remember, supplements are not a substitute for eating high-quality, unprocessed whole foods. If the majority of your diet is processed foods loaded with chemicals, herbicides, GMOs, sugars, no supplement is going to turn that around. However, if you're making good, healthy food choices and you're looking for some insurance, then a multi can be a reasonable choice. But when choosing your multivitamin, pay careful attention to the serving size. If it's only one per day, it is likely that you're wasting your time and money. Why? It's very doubtful that any single pill can pack enough vitamins and minerals to truly make any real difference in complementing your healthy food choices. Producers of multivitamins have come up with some pretty amazing ways to compress these ingredients, but not to the extreme, not down to where a single tablet provides you with the vitamins and the minerals you need. The food you need for nourishment is measured in ounces and pounds, or tens to hundreds of grams. A single tablet only weighs about 1 gram. A multivitamin takes 1 to 3 pills per day, simply can't provide the supplementation you need for health. That's why my whole food multivitamin, which is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, bioflavonoids, and other nutrients, requires 8 tablets to provide adequate nutrition. In the animation, you'll see how it's not possible to fit all the vitamin and mineral nutrients in one single pill or 2 tablets, but they fit very nicely into 8 tablets. So if you really want to get a healthy dose of your multivitamins, there are some strategies to help you ensure that you get adequate nutrients. Let me give you some of them. Create a daily routine for yourself that works. For example, prepare a setting with a drink and the 8 tablets on a plate. Spread out your consumption of the 8 tablets throughout the day. Say take 4 at lunch, 4 at dinner. Make sure and drink plenty of water between tablets to help them go down. And ideally, you want to intersperse your multivitamin tablets with other capsules or food that you take. So think about the tablets as they are really a meal rather than a supplement. So hopefully this is information that will help you and your family take control of your health.